Hi kids and parents, it's Jill, founder of Kids Baking Club, and we have a summer special just for you. We know that some of you are not able to go to summer camp, not even able to travel this summer because of the quarantine, so we're bringing it to you. We're bringing summer camp in your home that you can have summer activities in your kitchen to make it fun for your kids. But we have a special. So if you join now at kidsbakingclub.com, not only do you get our baking kit that comes with the recipes, the baking tools, the decorating supplies, and more, but you also get a free apron that comes in the kit for your kids, and we made camp shirts. So your kids can feel like they're going to summer camp in your home and making it a fun, special event. So join now at kidsbakingclub.com, and we can't wait to show you all that we're doing this summer.